What's good, boos? It's Sheen Boo, and you already know. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a wig hack, like how to take this wig off and what I use. It's actually very easy. It's way easier than taking alcohol in a rag to get it off. I'm also going to be doing a Eunice wig unboxing. So we're going to start with the wig that I already have on. This is their Kinky Straight. I forget how many inches it is. I'll go ahead and link both of the wigs down below. They're Kinky Straight, and I actually flat ironed it, and I was surprised to see how silky it was from flat ironing it. I'm like, it's super quality. I do wish the lace went back a little further. It stops right here. So as you can see, there's like a little bit of a part. I didn't pluck it or put concealer on it or anything. I felt like it was okay though. I just popped it right out of the box. This one is actually 14 inches. And again, I'll have to link it down below. It's kind of like a, I don't know, wet and wavy. I don't know what they call it in particular. I feel like this lace goes a little bit further back. It's also super high quality. So I didn't apply this wig myself. Jalen Renee applied it for me when I went to go visit her in Atlanta. So I'll go ahead and link all her information down below. She wears wigs all the time. She knows how to apply them, all of that. So if you have any questions about how to glue down a wig, or you want to watch her style her wigs and all that, I'll leave her information. So the straight one was $101.50, and the curly one was $130.50. And then you get 2 shampoos for $8.99. I had no idea that Eunice has shampoos. I had no idea they had shampoos. I've already used this, as you can see. I've used it on my natural hair and on this wig, and it works really good. So before this video is over, because I am going to take this off, I'm going to give you a demo of me washing my wig with it. Not my natural hair, because I just washed it. I've only had this wig on for about a week and a half, but the glue is just lifting, so it's time to take it off and reapply it. So I'm not going to be washing my hair yet, but I will show you before this video is over of me washing this wig. Let me take the plastic off so y'all can see a little better. This little container is cute because I could stick them back in here. So here are the lashes. I like that the band is thick too on the lash. I got 2 headbands, a pack of masks, a 10 pack of masks per wig that you buy. I got some wig caps. They also gave me this shirt. The camera cut off when I was trying to show you guys earlier. But yes, all the stuff, the eyelashes, the masks, the headbands, and the shirt was just complimentary. So for 2 wigs, 2 bottles of shampoo, I only spent $265.68. This is the address and the phone number. So I went inside of Eunice Hair in Culver City Mall, and I'm like, oh, they got one. And it was closed for a long time, but they finally opened. All right, y'all, I'm in Eunice. These 2 are lit. Thank you. Have a good day. You too. All right. So y'all don't judge me, okay? This is it's a wonderful hack. And you can probably see, let me move the hair so you can see. The wig is lifted up. So I should just be able to slide it off, but the baby hair is just like sticking to the glue and stuff. Let me show y'all what a sister used to get that off, okay? Juicy Couture hand sanitizing wipes. I got these from Ross for $3.99. They clean your hands really good, and it's about to get this off. And it didn't break my skin out or nothing. It literally smells like they just marinated it in alcohol. This one was $5.99 from Ross. So it's not ratchet, it's resourceful. Take one of these. You see that? So you see the glue, and it's also on my head. So This gets really sticky, right? And I'm going to show you how it's just all going to come off. You see how it's beaten up? It gets it off my skin and my hair. That is what I do. Usually it's like really hard to get it off. You have to sit up there with alcohol and cloth, or it just takes a lot of work to just take a rat tail comb or something and get it off. And I feel like, see, it's coming right off. It is coming right off. I absolutely love it this way. And I don't have to keep pouring alcohol or wasting it or worrying about whatever fabric that I'm using. Whatever fabric that I'm using, soaking up the alcohol. It is coming right off. There's nothing in here but 75% alcohol. That's it. So if you're already using alcohol in the cloth to get it off, why not use these? They're very cheap. You don't have to keep dipping it. You don't have to worry about whatever fabric you're using soaking it up. And it gets the glue off my hair and skin without damaging it. You can see I'm doing it directly on the wig, and it's coming off of here too. It's coming off. It's not really coming off the lace. It's easy, but it is getting it out of the hair easy. So you don't have to take like a conditioner and a toothbrush to like brush it out. You literally just run this through here. All right, y'all, so look at the inside of the wig now. It still has some glue on it, but it got most of it off. The other great thing about using these wipes is when you're traveling, because you know when you get on the plane and stuff, if you want to do a travel size or even if you want to check a bag, you don't want your stuff leaking. And you're gonna need to reapply your wig at some point on your vacation, and you're gonna want to get that off of your skin. Or if you just want to wipe around your edges where you're gonna put the glue before you even lay it down so it actually sticks, because you want to apply it to a clean oil-free surface. These wipes will be good for that as well. So let's go ahead and get this baby washed, and let's see if she returns back to her kinky state, because like I said, this is the Kinky Straight Wig. You can see the hair is now back in its natural state, and it did go back to the kinky texture. Even when it was wet, I could see the texture. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Shampoo all the time. Don't forget to stop by Twitter and Instagram too at Shampoo.